back to my channel. I am Sakshi Singhania and today we are going to reset for the month of May. I know, right? We are already on the 5th month of the year. I cannot believe it. Time is passing by so fast. And I'm really excited for this year, honestly, because this year is full of events for me. There is a lot going on in my life. I have a huge life update for you all, which I will give in some time. But due to that, I have been very busy. I had no time to reset for the month of April. I have just been managing my office, my trips, and my housework just like that. But today, like you can see, I have just showered. I have nothing, absolutely nothing on my face, and since the time I am back from Goa, I have been breaking out a lot. The sun damage there is real, no matter how much sunscreen you apply. I had taken some 3 to 4 tubes, but sun damage तो होना ही है गोवा में obviously. But yeah, I'm trying to take care of my skin. So today we will first do our skincare, and I have been wanting to cook chicken steak with mashed potatoes, saute vegetables and rice for a very long time. I know, full blown meal मेरा बहुत दिनों से मन है. No, I have never made chicken steak. बाकी सारी चीज़ें तो मैं बनाती रहती हूँ. Chicken steak and mashed potato. Actually, mashed potato also I have never made. So these are the two things I will try today. But though the saute vegetable, I will give you my recipe in this video. Stay tuned. Watch till the end. That saute vegetable is just amazing. जो भी मेरे घर पे आता है मैं सबको वो बना के खिलाती हूँ. It is so easy to make and you can pair that up with so many things, whether it is chila or just omelette, bread, rice. It's just amazing. You just need to switch some vegetables whichever you like or you don't like. So yes, we will do that. We will set up our calendar, and I have a lot other things as well to do. But to start with, I will first use a hair serum. I am using the L'Oreal hair serum. As you can see, मेरे flyaways already आने लगे हैं because I have just showered. I have been using this hair serum for quite some time. ये मेरा actually second purchase है. I had a smaller bottle and I have kept it. तो मैं जब भी travel करती हूँ, I transfer some into that and I take this. It's really good. Especially for the price, it's really good. It also has heat protectant, so in case you are somebody who uses a lot of straightener, curler or any type of heat styling, you can use this. And as you can see, I have nothing on my face. In fact, I'm going to wash it right now. I'll start by using the face wash from Bioquell. This is their No More Acne Anti-Acne Face Wash. It has light foaming gel-like texture, plus it has salicylic acid, zinc PCA and Cica in it. And as I mentioned, my skin काफी irritated है and it is breaking out a lot after my trip. So this face wash has really helped me clear my clogged pores, absorb excess oil and reduce the sebum production, because in this hot and humid weather मेरी dry skin भी काफी oily हो रही है. And the best part about this face wash is that it does not strip out the moisture out of my skin. Plus at the same time it also feels very clean, hydrated, matte and supple. Now next I'm using the Bioquell the Calm Soothing Toner. It's from the same brand. This has got Centella asiatica, my favorite ingredient, plus chamomile. So काफ़ी soothing ingredients हैं as the name, so it really justifies the name. Plus the texture is like fresh water, so काफ़ी relaxing लगता है ये लगाने के बाद. And since the breakouts are too much on my skin right now, so this helps me calm my skin and soothe, and at the same time it's also hydrating a little bit, plus it is anti-inflammatory, so if there is any redness on your skin, this will really help reduce that. And I have been loving this toner. You can see मैंने काफ़ी इसका यूज़ भी कर लिया है because dry and sensitive and acne prone skin के लिए काफ़ी कम products हैं, so I've been really loving this product. Next I'm using the Dot & Key Ceramide moisturizer, which you've seen me use multiple times, and then I'm using the Dot & Key Peptide Lip Balm. This is in the shade Bare Nude. Now in my last March reset video मैंने बोला था कि मैं आपको review करूँगी because I was using it for the first time. So the color payoff is not that much because it's almost like my lip color. Plus it does not feel very hydrated. Like इसमें peptide है, so I had really high expectations. But after 1 hour, your lips will feel very dry. Like as soon as the lip balm goes off, your lips will feel very dry. So it's an okay-ish product for me, not something that I would repurchase again. And that's it for my skincare. I will keep it simple because it's already evening, so I don't want to wear sunscreen. I also have to get my nails removed. You can see these nail extensions have come till here, और इनको remove भी जाके करवाना पड़ता है. So I'm trying to figure out if I can get it removed just by myself. If not, then we'll have to get this done. But before that, I am really excited to cook. Let's get started with the cooking. And here we are in my kitchen. मेरे बाल इतने पतले हैं कि वो 5 मिनट में ही सूख जाते हैं. Like look at it, it's already dried up. And काफ़ी बार मेरे फ्रेंड्स कहते हैं कि यार तूने हेयर वॉश नहीं किया, तेरे बाल इतने कैसे सूखे? Because I have a lot of friends जिनके बाल शाम तक ही सूखते हैं. And look at my hair guys. ठीक है. I'm liking my hair after the haircut. It's not changed a lot, but it has definitely given थोड़ा मोड़ा framing to my face. And like I mentioned, मुझे ज़्यादा layers पसंद नहीं है. So this is good for me. Let's see if I want to experiment more later, I will. But for now, let's get started with the chicken steak, mashed potatoes, sauté vegetables and rice. So जितने देर में मैं आप लोगों से बातें कर रही थी, मैंने rice बना लिया था. So you can see the rice is already made. काफ़ी simple, कुछ भी नहीं, steam rice बनाया. Not just that, मैंने vegetables भी chop करके रख लिए हैं. So I have chopped the mushrooms, beans, broccoli, capsicum. This is chopped onions, potatoes for mashed potato, coriander leaves and लहसुन, which is garlic. Plus मैंने chicken marinate already करने को रख दिया है. In that I have put a little bit of oil, salt, pepper, ginger, garlic and थोड़ा सा पेरी पेरी मसाला. That's it. काफ़ी simple marination किया है, बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं डाला है because it is chicken steak, so it has to be creamy. The sauce will be creamy, so हम उसे ज़्यादा spicy नहीं कर सकते. It won't taste as nice. And also it's my first time, so I don't want to experiment a lot. So yeah, now let's get started with the sauté vegetables and the creamy sauce.
Take a pan, pour a little bit of oil and brush this all over your pan and then add butter. इससे आपका butter burn नहीं होगा. Then you can add some garlic. You can either chop it or grate it. So इससे आपके garlic का flavor chicken में भी infuse होगा. Then you can add the marinated chicken. Now make sure you are cooking this on low or medium flame and not on high flame. Otherwise it will get burnt और पूरा taste ख़राब हो जाएगा. And flip it over so that it gets cooked from both the sides. And अब इसको low flame पे cook करते रहो so that वो proper अंदर तक cook हो जाए. Now I'm making sauté vegetables. For this take butter, add a little bit of garlic and vegetables of your choice. I'm skipping beans. Then you can add mixed herbs, oregano, chili flakes and add salt as per your taste. बस इतना simple है ये and it tastes really nice. You can pair this up with literally anything. Look at this. It looks so nice, right? Now take some butter, pour a little bit of oil again, add some garlic and chopped onions and caramelize these onions. और ये जब ब्राउनिश हो जाए then आप इसको निकाल लो एक कटोरी में so that creamy sauce में ये lumps ना form करे. Now for creamy sauce, take some butter, add flour. I have used wheat flour, you can use maida as well. And then pour milk and make sure you're stirring it while pouring the milk, otherwise lumps आ जाएंगे. Once you do this, add the caramelized onions. Now look at this gravy, let this gravy thicken. Then you can add the cream and you can also add mixed herbs, oregano, chili flakes and salt. So and then you can add the chicken in this and let this chicken cook in this gravy so that ये creamy हो.
So sauté vegetables and chicken steak in creamy sauce is ready, and I swear I am not even kidding. I smelled it and then I even tasted it. Chicken properly पक चुका है and it is so creamy. It is exactly like how it is served in restaurant. I swear आप ये same recipe follow करना and you yourself will be amazed. I'm gonna plate it all together last में. Rice, chicken steak, then sauté vegetables and mashed potato, which we are going to make now. I wish खाना बनाना इतनी जल्दी होता जितनी जल्दी आपको वीडियो में दिख रहा हो, but never mind. Now for mashed potatoes, I already have 2 boiled potatoes. मैंने boil कर दिए हैं. Now we have to first grate this properly. इसको हाथ से चूरने के बजाय आप इसे proper grater में अगर grate करोगे तो ये properly grate होगा, and then I'll show you the recipe. Even I'm making it for the first time, but मैंने YouTube पे recipes देखी and it is fairly simple. So let's make that now. I'm taking this bowl and this grater I have. Let's mash.
After grating the potatoes, take this type of ladle, add butter, little bit of garlic, mixed herbs or oregano, and a little bit of black pepper. Now make sure you're making this on very low flame. Then you can add this mixture to the grated potatoes, add salt as per your taste, and fresh cream. This is the main ingredient of mashed potatoes. Then you can add some parsley or coriander leaves. I have added coriander leaves, and yeah, इतना ही ईजी होता है मैश पोटैटोज़ बनाना.
So the food is done and you've seen everything. Now we are going to set up the kitchen. थोड़ी मोड़ी चीज़ें ख़त्म हो गई थी, so वो stock up करना है मुझे. And I'm just gonna put all of that in containers and then we'll set up the planner. Just FYI, this is the best tea. I am a chai lover और मैंने बहुत सारे tea leaves. Yes, that's the train. Please ignore. So I was saying I am a chai lover and मैंने बहुत सारे tea leaves try किए हैं from Assam to Darjeeling. बहुत सारे किए हैं, but I somehow come back to this because इसमें जो taste और जो flavor आता है ना, it takes a little bit of time to get the color. You have to put a lot of this, but वो जो चाय बनती है ना इससे, लवली. If you're looking for a good muesli, this is an amazing option. It also goes really well with overnight oats.
Let's set up my planner. If you've been feeling a little behind in life, then don't worry, you're not alone. But I feel this is the perfect way to just reset your mind, have a fresh start to a new month. Honestly, it hardly takes 5 to 10 minutes. It's a nice me time, do a nice planning session. You do not need to have a planner. Just take any diary or a notebook, write things out, and trust me, when you tick those things off at the end of the day or the end of the month, you will feel really nice. I have this habit since my childhood and I have been doing this since years and years. In fact, I even follow this in my office and my notebooks get filled really fast, but this really helps me. So since I was not able to reset for the month of April, I am also going to review my March goals. Some of the things that I completed was keeping my food in check because of the trip, but I had a lot of junk on my trip. It was like a food holiday. I did include nuts and chia seeds, water, replaced sugar with jaggery, and I did not work out, I know, which has been long pending. I managed to track my expenses. I was hoping to read more because of the trip, but on the trip I just couldn't because we were too many people and we were busy enjoying literally every moment, so I had no time. I shot content ahead and I did have a haircut. Please watch the vlog if you haven't already. It's really a fun one. And water sport, I'm taking it off as yes, although what I did was kayaking, which is not exactly a water sport, but given a person like me has done it who's really very scared of water, so I'll just take it off as yes, good to start with. But it was an amazing experience. Coming to the month, this was a very, very special month and you will get more on that very soon. I am happy how I spent my time in this month because I managed to upload a video even when I was on trip, but it was very stressful with uploading and doing everything else, making thumbnail, like last minute changes. So I think I can plan even better. So yeah, that was it for the month of March. Now coming back to the month of April, I have started working out, although काफ़ी end of the month में ये start हुआ है, but yes, I have. Super conscious eating, I have been doing it since quite a while, and I have been planning meals before so that I avoid impulse eating, and this has been working out for me really well. Grocery restock, yes, किया है मैंने. Social media goals, some of it I have achieved, some of it I have not. Focusing on my skin because I have been breaking out after the trip. So yes, that is something I have been doing it in the month of March. Now coming to the month of May, I love the cover. The title of this month is Applying Happy Serum Only, which is really cute and nice. Also, I love sunflowers. Now coming to the monthly visions, the goal is to do conscious eating, as I am already planning meals beforehand, because like I said, it has been working out really well for me. Continued my workout, which I'm hating because it just sucks, but yes, I want to do it, so I will do it. And replacing my one-time tea with herbal water, which is really tough because I am a chai person. So let's see if I can replace or not, but for sure I'm including herbal water in my diet. And this month is very special because it's Meghadi's Roka month, so I have to plan an outfit for that. I have some social media goals, and I really want to start driving classes in this month. I have already learned driving in the past, लेकिन मैंने continue नहीं किया, so I'm not confident taking the car on the road obviously. So in order to do that, मुझे थोड़ी और मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी for sure. Because I had a page earlier जहाँ पे मैं अपने YouTube and Instagram के ideas लिखती थी. So I'm making this new page where I write both because पहले वाला almost fill हो गया है. Now let's plan the meals. Meals, I have some options for breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner. You can take a screenshot if you want. For breakfast, I usually tend to shuffle between overnight oats, paneer sandwich, oats chila, lauki chila, boiled eggs, white omelette, dalia. Dalia काफ़ी कम होता है, but yes, writing it in my menu so in case I get bored. Then for lunch, you can have like dal plus one sabzi and roti. I love rajma chawal. Then I love like soya bean, red spinach, palak paneer is one of my fave. Then for snacks, you can do makhana chaat or just makhana and tea, nut salad, smoothie, dry fruits. It will keep you really filled. Roasted chanas, cornflakes chaat. This is like my recent fave. Then for dinner, I want to have something light like vegetable soup, dal palak. Dal palak is really easy and filling. Then you can do saute vegetables. So the recipe that I showed you in this video, you can follow the same just for green beans and sprinkle some sesame seeds. Also, if you want, just cook it in chili oil. It will be amazing. So I do a lot of saute vegetables now and then, like हर 2 दिन में तो मैं बना ही लेती हूँ. Then you can do vegetable pasta. Make sure to use a wheat pasta. Then soup and everything else we have already spoken about. And I want to also track some of my habits. So I'm making this habit tracker where I track my movement, whether my house help, if she's in or not, my water intake, hair care, skincare, and my social media goals. So yeah, that's about it for my monthly planning.